The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mesquite Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Benjamin Parish in central Louisiana, southwestern Boyles Parish in central Louisiana, north central St. Andrews Parish in central Louisiana, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near 7 miles northeast of Ville Platte, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ville Platte, Marksville, Bunkie, Moorville, Cheneville, Boardlandville, Marl, Cottonport, Monshut, Hesmer, Evergreen, Plottsville, Echo, Goodell, Indian Lake, Chico State Park, Whiteville, Big Cane, DuPont, and Grand Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.